What is up, guys? Got some huge news today. So we got a little new build coming in here. It's gonna be parked right here, so can't wait to show you guys that. That's a whole new ball game, whole new story, so I can't wait for you guys to actually see that. Right now I'm actually gonna go to Twan's house. He's got some tires for the daily, so we're gonna go pick up those, and then Matt is actually gonna be picking me, or I'm gonna be going to pick up Matt, and we're gonna be heading out to go get the new build. So hopefully you guys will like it. Stay tuned. Boy! What up? He said he could back it up. Oh, okay. Look at this turd nugget. Damn. What up? Alright guys, so I actually just got back from Twan's. We got the tires and everything. I moved this Jeep over. We're going to be putting the new build right here for now, obviously, because I don't have a shop, and you guys already know this. So we're going to be building this new build right here. So this build's going to be a little bit different than what you guys are probably thinking. The crazy thing is that I believe that cars, any type of car, any type of vehicle is awesome. I think that engineers built these things for us to get around, to do daily tasks, and then also to have like hobbies in. These could be anything. They could be from like grip racing to drifting to off-roading to anything. It's insane. So obviously I love Z's. Z's are nasty, they're dope, I love them, they're great cars, they're reliable as long as you maintenance them. They're great cars, as you can see from my daily and the drift car that I have rarely had any issues with. Going on from there, I want to do something a little bit different, something that it's different from the norm of this channel. So obviously we have tons of drifting, we have tons of European cars, we have tons of vehicles from our generation on this channel. My dad has built a 79 Camaro since I was a kid, since I was tiny, and I have never been able to put it on the channel for you guys. So that's one thing that I'm planning on doing, is actually getting into that muscle and showing you guys like what a muscle car is like, because it's insane. Like my dad's Camaro is stupid, and I can't wait. We have a little plan about me taking it to actually drag it, because that's what he does with it. So I'm waiting on that. That's gonna be some stick footage for you guys. I'm gonna teach you guys everything when I'm learning, so learning how to launch, everything like that. But this build is going different than even from that, not even a drag race car. So I can't wait to show you guys. I'm super pumped. We're actually gonna go pick up Matt right now, and we're gonna head down there because Matt's the one that actually is hooking us up with this build. And this build's pretty significant to me because it's not for me, it's actually for a family member. So it's pretty cool how they put their trust in me to build this for them. And like I said, basically it's gonna be sick. I can't wait. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go get Matt right now. Just gotta get some gas real quick. It's crazy what we're paying right now. $324 for the premium, dude. Crazy. Out here at the famous Matt Campbell's house. About to knock on the door. Here's the man of the hour right here. He's like, what's up? Yeah. Out here at U-Haul in Hartford, getting the truck and trailer ready for this build. So we're just picking it up right now. Always waiting for U-Haul. Always waiting for U-Haul. So basically we ordered a truck and a trailer, and the person with the truck is not there, so we're waiting on that. He said it'd be 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes already, so
I hope they check for the trailer.
yeah, right.
The truck shows up and they go, we gotta wait for the trailer.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so 2.5 hours later than what we wanted to actually get our stuff done, we finally got the truck and the trailer. So we're on our way to go get the build right now. So here we go. All right, guys. So back at Matt's, and here's the new build. What? So it's a 1988 Jeep Sahara, right?
Yeah, it's a Jeep Wrangler.
Yep. Matt's got all the info on it. It's got a 3-inch lift. 33s. 33s.
Sorry, needs a little bit of work, but it really ain't that bad for an 88.
Yeah, seriously. So this build is for my mom. Matt hooked her up. Basically, my mom, as you guys seen before, she has the green Jeep. So the green Jeep goes way back. The green Jeep has been the car that I first learned on, actually, to learn stick and everything. I was 14 years old, and I had night schooling for like some math classes back in the day. And after the classes, my mom always said, we can try, you can learn how to like shift and stuff in the Jeep. So it's got some memories. But the thing is, on her Jeep, like it's clear as day. This happens in every Jeep, but the floor pans rot out. Clearly, like that one. Her Jeep is way worse than that. That's not even that bad. So yeah, I mean, everything rots on these things. Up here in the Northeast, it sucks. Her frame is shot. Like basically, even moving it in and out of the driveway, it's sketchy. Like I'm just waiting for the frame to snap in half and the car to just fall apart. But this thing is in way better condition than hers, and this is an 88. Hers is a 95 or a 94. So, what's up? 95. Hers is a 95. Yeah, hers is a 95. So, this thing is sick. I'm so pumped. I love the color, and my mom's at first, like I was explaining to her the color before she even saw it, and she's like, I don't know. And then she came and saw this. She actually sat with Matt and Matt's wife, and was just like, this. She's like, I love it. It's so sick. So. This thing is nasty. I'm super pumped. This is definitely her fit. Like she's always wanted like an off-road Jeep. Her Jeep, that was her first car that she bought outright. So it does, like, again, have some sentimental value. But like I said, since it's so shot, this is gonna be perfect for her. And I told her if we got this, we'd build it for her. So me, Matt, and Mark are gonna be just overhauling this, grabbing anything from the old Jeep that we can salvage and throwing it on this. But like I said, this barely needs anything. So this is the new project. So I hope you guys like it. So I'm super pumped. So we're gonna get this back to the house. All right, guys, so the Jeep's back in the driveway, finally here, and it's basically our workshop, as you guys know. I'm super stoked for this. Thank you, Matt, for the hookup. Thanks for helping unload it here. It was not easy coming up this wonderful driveway that we have, that we've swapped motors in and all that crap, but it's finally here. I can't wait for my mom to see it. It's her birthday today, so she's gonna be super stoked. And yeah, so pumped for that. I threw, basically what I tried to do, I just showered right now, and I just threw a tarp over the top just for now, just to cover all that up. Obviously, it's not going to really help until I get that one up, but I'm just trying to do that, trying to keep it as nice as possible, so the less work I have to do. But the main thing to do right now is swap over the drive shaft from this one to this one, and then also the brake lines, and yeah, basically that's it. And then it's just basically paint the interior, fix the floorboards, and that's that. So super happy about this. This thing is nasty. This thing's got a lot of memories, like I told you guys before, but it's gonna basically resurrect this one to that one, just like I did with the red Z and my black Z. So and like I said, I mean, we've done it out here like this before, so the plan is to get this done before winter, so I don't have to be out here in the snow working on this turd. So, but I'm super stoked. I know my mom's gonna be stoked, so I'm super happy about it. A little bit on the hood, I'll show you guys. So when Julian came by today, he helped me out more, obviously last night too. So basically what we did was all that. But yeah, like I said, all we got to do is basically just fill that in, make it more even here, fix all that, fix that pitting, form it into that, and we'll be good. And then I can get it painted.
The sides are pretty much done, but there's tiny little pits. But like as for like being smooth with the hood and the actual swoop upwards in the vent, it actually is like perfect on both sides. Like I said, the sides is literally small, tiny little spots we have to fill in, but that'll be pretty much easy.
Yep. So I'd say probably another solid 2 hours, like 2 hours of work, and it'll be done. Like I'm done officially, ready for paint. That's what I would say. 2 to 3 hours. Damn, boy. Damn. Here with Twan, look what he's doing.
Jerking off.
Yeah, jerking off. Look at that little dick.
Big old dick.
Big old, yeah, look at that dick.
It's an anaconda.
It's an anaconda. The black mamba.
Yep.
So he's out here. We just came by the shop. He was said that he was sandblasting some calipers for some of his stuff, so he's gonna be powder coating all that. So we're just chilling. So thought I'd stop by after dropping off the Jeep and crap.
This is how the kids in Springfield do it when the team don't operate properly. You should show them the wheels I done in the back right now.
The wheels are in the back? All right. So Twan just said he did some wheels, so I'm about to go check in the back. Show you guys what he's been getting into. I wonder if they're getting baked or not. I don't know. We'll check. Oh, damn. Damn. Damn, boy. It's hot as balls in there. Oh.
It's for the LS car, dude.
Oh.
The GTR.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. But you guys, I can feel the radiating off that. That's crazy. Woo. That's at Liddy's shop, though. That's at Ringleader Racing right there, doing some work. Woo. Twan be in the kitchen.
We'd be cooking.
We'd be cooking.
Yeah, Walter White and Jesse Pinkman. That Breaking Bad shit.
That Breaking Bad. But yeah, Twan, thanks for that. We got an event coming up. I think it's going to be August 18th or 19th. That's going to be the next event. I'm planning on running 2 more events. So this one at Club Loose North, the next one coming, and then the one in November for Gig for the charity slide that they have for like Christmas, where it's like Toys for Tots and everything like that. So that's what I'm planning on. 2 more events. Can't wait to rip it. The car's running good. But like I said, I'm mostly just saving up for the cage and body work. So basically, since I'm waiting on that for the Z is pretty much where I want it to be for right now, like I've said in my previous videos. So we're going to be doing that. And then now the new project is this. But going on from there, thank you guys so much for the support. We appreciate it so much. And don't be afraid. Leave a like, leave a comment down below. Like I said, I will get to you as soon as I possibly can. And I know that, especially with all the new builds and stuff and all the new content coming up, if you do have a question, someone else might be able to chime in and help you out too if you ever run into a rut. So, like I said, it's super helpful. Don't forget to get your merch. I will be posting the website in the next 2 or 3 days. I just ran into a little bug with the PayPal option, but it's all good now. So I'll be posting that ASAP. So you can get your t-shirts, your decals, whatnot. And yeah, going on from there, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.